Hello, it is Extra4Fx. I want to show you how to set up your forex trading platform, MT4. So you're gonna go to your app store. So one tap in MT4. So here it is, and then install it. So we have our MT5 platform, which is the upgraded version of MT4. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to set up the second platform, which is the MT5. So we're installing. So we're done installing. We're going to open the MT4. I'm going to show you how to set this platform. So open a demo account. Okay. So you accept these. You accept these. For now, you don't have to worry about these. So this is how it looks like. So this is the chart. This is how it looks like when you install it for the first time. So we have this balance, which is 100,000. This is a demo account. So when you want to drag with this is a demo account here. It's a 400 demo. So everything here is demo. So we have deposited over 100,000 outlets. So I'm gonna show you how to set this chart at this moment of time. So let's do away with this indicator. So you're gonna hit the F, and then you hit this trash bin, and then you mark it, and then you delete it. So I'm gonna show you how to set up these candles. So this is called candle. So the white one is the bull candle, while the black one is the bear candle.